Yesterday, I was talking to a man about forgiveness. So, since forgiveness is one of the main responses that people write in a notebook when I ask them about compassion, I thought I would address some of the thoughts that I believe forgiveness to be. I remember a theme from the Course, a book called A Course in Miracles, which refers to forgiveness as the movement from fear to love. And also something I remember a man named Fred Luskin, who works at the Stanford Forgiveness Project, who once said that forgiveness is being at peace with the past. So when I think of those two things, I think of what we once may have thought as being fearful of something that happened to us as an individual or collective in the past is now treated with love, and that's what forgiveness is. And I believe that the way that it relates to compassion is that compassion being recognizing essence, that once we recognize the essence of the love within ourselves and within others, because a lot of times the forgiveness process is with other people, and also at times it is within ourselves. We forgive ourselves for something we may have done in the past. Recognizing the essence of ourselves, we are able to forgive ourselves, moving from fear to love. Recognizing the essence of another, which is also that same pure love, the pure energy. We can move from whatever misunderstanding to have a mutual understanding and take action accordingly. There is the consideration of if someone has passed away, how does one forgive another who has passed away? The same thing can be done. I think once we realize that that person too had an essence which is part of who we are, then that same fear, whatever may happen, whether it be abuse, neglect, abandonment, whatever it may be, we can see the essence of that person as beyond that action and see that person as a human being, and therefore move from the fear of abandonment, the fear of neglect, to the love of the spirit of that human being. Thus, if the person has passed, our thoughts can still be geared towards love. And in the end, that's what compassion is. It is simply the continuous recognition of love within oneself and within another. It's the creation of love, never-ending creation of love. I liken love to the Creator as compassion is to creation. And so the forgiveness process is the continuous creation of what we once thought to be fearful, to now accepting that and thinking, starting with the thought of love towards that event or that person. Because of the conversation that I had yesterday, I want to share this. And I will leave it at that. Enjoy.